Depend from where you're at, and then let your name and stuff.
Well, that's kind of lit, huh?
Oh, look, you want a hat. Don't forget to fill those out.
Yeah, I got them.
Okay, put them down there where you need them.
Are these mine or?
Those are yours. Do you need a bag to put those in or anything? Okay, all right. Good thing we got the case bag.
So $3.12.
All right.
You need to fill those out? You want to fill those out?
There you are, sir. Hello. I need the phone on too.
Oh, they probably did. Good to see you. That's right.
Yep, you fine, John?
Yeah, we. Go ahead. Sorry.
You want one? You can have one. It's a low one. You got a green one. There's flies everywhere.
Get better.
Hey, what's your balloon?
It takes a little longer the older we get.
Green's 20%.
Hey, good morning, how are you? Good.
Hi.
Well, it doesn't.
Wasn't there a mask that case came out with?
Yes, so the ones that we got in recently are the burlwood. Yep. Whoops, I'm sorry. No, you're okay. Pardon me. Those just came in a week ago. And then the goldenrod we've had for a little bit. That was the first Damascus that they'd come out with in a while. So that goldenrod just came out, or there has been out, and then the burlwood. We just got it kind of a week and a half ago.
Ryan mentioned something about pumpkin, Halloween.
Yeah.
No, did he got one from last year?
He got, yes, I think he got the one last year, and then he got the last slim line that we had.
But he got this year?
Yes.
Double check.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. So.
You know Ryan quite well.
I know.
I'd like to get that all.
Yeah, sure. Yep. Let me grab the key and get you taken care of.
All right. Take your time.
It's the same as that. Take some of these back in.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yep.
Yeah. What? Yeah. You're not a candy corn fan.
Well, yeah, I like it, but I don't
You know, I'm accused of being a crayon eater, I guess. So I don't know. I like the mix of it. Yeah. So there's supposed to be some. I seen some come through on different patterns and stuff that. Yeah, so I was kind of excited to see those butterbeans, baby butterbeans. The tiny trappers, which is the tiny trappers and the butterbeans, both are coming out. Coming out at the same time.
Oh, yeah.
So, is that? Maybe I'm wrong. No, that's the tiny trapper. Yeah.
That's the trapper.
Yep, the tiny
I
trapper.
thought that was a beginning.
They're gonna make they're gonna make more of those because I seen those. Yeah, those and the baby butterbeans. I seen a few come through on like pre-orders for like late winter or next year. So
One will be tight. The prices of these are shot up real fast. I adjusted.
yeah, because they what 2 or 3 years ago when they were making them, they were probably around that $49 range, probably somewhere in there.
People are just exposed. They buy up, they use it.
Yeah.
They go, they freak out a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
How much is that one? See, I made this looser, so like 70. You know, I think I'll go ahead and take it.
You want? I think I've got a couple of them here, so let's look at.
Because I didn't like the other.
Let's look at this one.
Those are hard to find. No.
Those are pretty similar. It's got a little more yellow in it there. I'll take that one. Okay.
James Stork. We're doing a small pocket dump out here, or large depending on what you got. This is a pocket slip that Georgia Adventure gave me at the last Rochdale event, and this is the knife I bought at the Rochdale event. It's a little denim laminate mini copper lock. This is the famous PB&J in an SD leather slip. This is a case Marilla that my brother bought me in the blue. This is my baker's knife that I had special made. This one came out of my dad's collection. It's an old 77 lockback in some type of wood laminate. And this one here is an older one. It is a 35.5 and it is a 78. And this is a red bone pocket worn canoe that was one of my dad's collections. And that's what I got with me today.
Beautiful knives, James. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Chris, Radio Geek Blades, and today I've got with me I've got a Rough Rider electrician's knife. It's got the handy dandy screwdriver, and I've got a Ontario Rat 2, which was customized by Way of Knife in Michigan. It was a mystery knife. You just said you wanted a Rat 2 and they decided what to do to it. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's my modern for today. I've got a slip here, Last Chance Knives, and I've got a Byron Barlow in there. It's a red bone. It's just the two blade there. It says carbon steel. It's pretty nice. Nice slip. And I got another slip here that was by Georgia Adventures. He gave that to me in Rochdale. Carry a few different knives in that one. But I've got the Tenacity Rosecraft blade, the teardrop blade with the blue bone. A nice half stop there. And this one is in stainless steel. And I got one last one here is my trusty Case Peanut in the white synthetic, the little sparkle emblem on it, and I always have this one in the 5th pocket. Use it for cutting dog treats and whatnot, so I've always got that one with me. You got the smaller blade on there too, and this one is stainless steel. And that's what I'm carrying today. And now I think we got up last year's Byron Kennedy. What do you got there, Byron?
Hi guys, I'm Byron Kennedy. I'm with Splitting Slices. So for my carry today, I've got the same items that I've carried now for, this is day 8, and I'm participating in Cornbread Hunting for Hookers 1 in 5 carry. So I'm carrying the same 5 items for 30 days. And then I've got 1 of 3 knives that I'm carrying depending on what I'm doing for that day's activities. So I've got a leather pouch here where I've got a flashlight, I've got a tactical pen, and then I've got an Otical O-knife multi-tool. So those are my 4 items, and then the knife for the day is my fixed blade. This is the Hogtooth Knives designed by Bob DeMarco of the Knife Junkie Nova 1. So it's a 3.5-inch Bowie style blade with burgundy micarta scales and 154 cm. Well, that concludes my carry, but we're missing a couple guys this year. So Big J, Jerry, and John over at J.O. Ventures Outdoors, I brought the memorial knife for the event. I've got the Cold Steel Mayhem in S35VN.
That's a big one. Got it?